How to steam clean carpets like a pro. Order USA Clean Master. Alright, let's get started with our guide on how to steam clean carpets like a pro with USA Clean Master. Have you ever wondered how amazing it would be to have your carpets looking brand new again? Introducing the magic of steam cleaning carpets. Regular vacuuming can only do so much, especially when dealing with tough stains, lingering odors, and deeply embedded dirt that just won't budge. With steam cleaning, we take carpet cleaning to a whole new level. By using hot water extraction, this method deeply cleans carpets, eliminating dirt, bacteria, and allergens, leaving your carpets fresh and sanitized. Now here comes the exciting part. Let's reveal the before and after visuals of a carpet being steam cleaned. Witness the remarkable transformation as the carpet goes from dingy and dirty to pristine and fresh in just a single session. In summary, steam cleaning not only rejuvenates your carpets but also extends their lifespan and enhances the indoor air quality of your home. It's a win-win situation for both your carpets and your health. Ready to experience the magic of steam cleaning for yourself? Don't hesitate to schedule a professional steam cleaning service with USA Clean Master. Share your experience in the comments below and let us know how your carpets have been transformed. Cheers to cleaner, fresher carpets!